Good evening, guys. Welcome to today's live intraday trading analysis. I am Dhaval Malvania, and today we have traded in IndusInd Bank. We have shorted IndusInd Bank at around 1070, and we booked our profit at around 1065, and we have booked the profits of 500 rupees. We initially wanted it to short from 1080 level, but until we enter our order, as you can see here, it is just 916. So just 1 minute after opening the market, we tried to short it because of the few reasons which I'll explain in few minutes. So please stay tuned and please be in this video till the end. Watch each and every part of this video to understand the price action trading. The reasons behind those are as follows. So first we'll look at Nifty Bank. Here I have given it in 4 different time frames. Here is 1 day, 30 minutes, 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So today when market opened, the opening price was 37,041. So it was below the closing of yesterday. Yesterday it closed around 37,098 and today it opened 37,041. So even though it opened gap down even though it opened gap down, it came down to this support area. So we were expecting it to come till this range, and it has came till there till morning 10 o'clock. So you can see here in IndusInd Bank also, it has opened gap up, but this was the rejection area, resistance area for IndusInd Bank. It opened at around 1080. It made high of 1085 and rejected from there. So we were waiting for the breakdown of this level. So once it is closed at around 1069.75, so when we entered was this area only. From there we have shorted it and we booked our profits at this level of first candle's low. We would have been achieving the target till 1060 because this was the previous support area where it could reach. It also breached that level also and went down till this support area, which was the low of 12th February. In this range it was consolidating. So from there it has sustained there only, retraced it and taken the resistance from this zone and came again down. One another reason, if I'll explain, that is Fibonacci level. So let's see from where it has retraced after taking this fall down. So this is the Fibonacci level for IndusInd Bank. So here you can see it did not sustain below this 0.5 level also. It came down to this level and it retraced back till here. So the point is, it has not taken the retracement of 0.5%. So those who are interested in shorting after its pullback, they can enter here by keeping their stop loss at around this level and can get the good profits till this zone, and it has given a good result as well. So in case of Nifty Bank, you can see it opened a gap down and here it opened gap up. So ideally when any stock opens gap up, it tries to fill it, So here also what happened, it opened gap down, it tried to fill the gap and again came down. So here you can see it came till yesterday's low region, then again taken support from there, came up and came down. So in this manner, in 15 minutes time frame, if you check, it has consistently made 3 lower lows and made a red candles of seller, showing the selling pressure. This has given us the confidence to take this trade because it was in this region. If it would have been higher than this region, then we would have not taken the short trade in case of the IndusInd Bank. So few other stocks we also have selected in our blog below. You can check the description for our blog, that is NSE Stocks Technical Analysis, where we discuss daily 3 stocks for intraday. Those are my observations and my stock selection methods. If you are interested to learn how to how to select the stocks for intraday, how to select the stocks for long term, how to select the stocks for working professionals, those who are not having much time to look at the screen every day, so they can even learn options hedging trading with us. The link is given in the description for the technical analysis course. They can join there. The detail is given on that page. You can come and join. So that's all for today's video. I will discuss about the live intraday trading tomorrow. Those who are interested to join the live intraday trading, they can come and join this YouTube channel. You please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon, so you will get the update whenever I come online or keep any post for trading. You can check out our channel as well. And if you like our analysis, please like, share and subscribe this channel to your friends, family, the members who are interested in stock market, the persons who are not having any faith in stock market, that with intraday you cannot earn. To them you can show us our blog with examples that we are earning good amount of money with proper money management. So that's all for today guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.